Hello guys, today we're going to be organizing my fidget toys. I have like 1,000 of them. So we're going to be taking out all my fidgets from the first drawer. I gotta do this one on. I took out the Slinky, the Infinity Cube, and my Marble Mash, my other Infinity Cube. I have like 1,000 Infinity Cubes, and I have like 1,000,000 Marble Mash. Is however you say it. I have this thing. It's cool. Anyways, I have like 1,000 needles for right here, and I might get some more. This is my Ryan's World Owl stress ball thing. Sorry, my leg's in the way. I'll take out everything. 2 fidget cubes for no reason. Right here. And I have this. Okay, hold on. Look at 1,000 monkey noodles. And this Funovision thingy. Here, I'll show you all of my monkey noodles. I have more than this much. More than this much. More than this much. But this much. These are all my monkey noodles. Okay. Now let's take out all of my fidgets from here. Basketball thingy, football thingy, squishy thingy, stress ball thingy, magnet rings, pea popper, pea popper, pea popper, stress ball, wacky track, paper squishy, another pea popper, water timer, thingy, magic ball, dimple, simple dimple, puppet, 100 double puppet, tangle, egg slime, stress ball, fidget snap thingy, splat ball, bike chain, paper squishy, and then another egg slime, pop tube, 2 pop tubes, and finished! Do you want to see all my fidgets at once? Here they are. Jesus. I have so many fidgets. Anyways, I guess we gotta find like a new basket. I think I have an idea. So I have this thing where it used to be my fidgets, but I thought that I would never get any more fidget toys, so then I just changed them to the drawers, and then my book bag, and then back to the drawers. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out, and so yeah. Sorry, my violin is in the way. So many things. There's like 1,000 Among Us stickers in here. This was my old Roblox avatar. Why is there a toothpaste in here? Juicy Drop Pop and more lotion. Oh, I have so much skincare. Among Us stickers. Empty crayon box. Random hand sanitizer stuff. I'm just gonna dump all this out. There. My grandma won't mind. If I leave one thing in my room, she gets mad at me. So we're gonna be doing that. Now let's see. Put some things inside of. I'm gonna put some things inside of this bin and then put it in the thing. And then I'm going to just regularly put them in there. Let's see. Oh. I want a dimple duo so bad. Go for my poppets. My dimple. And flip it over and do the same thing. So yeah, that's fun. Where did my simple dimples go? It's hard to find all of your small things if you mix them all with my fidgets. If you mix them all with my fidgets, there's literally no way you'll find your fidgets. But yes, way I could find mine. Oh, found them. This one is small. This is the quiet side, and then this is the loud side. Gotta get that. Okay. I'm gonna have a million things in here. Should I put my pop tubes in here? No, they don't fit. Okay. Water timer. I'm gonna put all the small things in here. So like something like this tangle or something. It just has to be small. All my tangles. That tangle, and that tangle. Magic ball. Basketball. Where did the football go? There it is. This one's squishier. This one is harder. See, look. And then this one's squishier. So I'm gonna put that. This stress ball, this black ball, this stress ball, all that in there. I'm gonna put this stress ball in there. And let's see if all my needles can fit in there. What about all my skinny monkey noodles? Skinny. Anyways. Okay. Where did all... Okay. That one. Let's find my other ones. I'm pretty sure that's all my skinny ones. I'm pretty sure that's all. And then, what about all of my infinity cubes? Let's see if I can fit all them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I had more than that. Right! I gave one to my friend on my FaceTime. We were fidget trading that time. Put this in there real quick. I don't want to! I don't want to do that. I don't want to. Yeah. Wow. Lucy is happy in here. like this better. This is like my favorite magnet fidget. It's like slime, but it just sticks. Wait a minute. That's where my earring has been the whole time? Okay. I don't even care about my earring. I just wanted to know where it is. Dang it, I should have put it in my drawer. Anyways, I'm just a person who yeets stuff. I don't keep them. I just yeet them. I don't eat them. I just yeet them. Oh, like what you put in your mouth? No, that's eat. I'm yeet. Oh, like when you wanna have something forever? No, that's keep. I'm yeet. This button thingy has slime on it. This was literally on my pencil case, and so then I cut it off. Why is there hand lotion under? Yeet. I am yeet. Jesus. Where's the lid? There it is. Scoop, there it is. And I'm pretty sure an ad is about to pop up. 3, 2, 1. I'll wait. Did you tap on skip ad yet? Anyways. I have too much fidget toys. I can't fit all of them. I have an idea. Dora can put 2 Neatos, and then I'll put the rest of the 2 in the basket. No, the magic school bus. I'm gonna get slime. Clay slime. I'm gonna get like slime that's cool. Cooler than you. Slime that's cool. Cooler than you. This is brand new. How have I not opened this yet? Let me open it. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Sticky. It's not supposed to be sticky. I have 7 other slimes, and they're not sticky. I have 8 other slimes, but 1 got dried out, so that's why I say 7. It's a sticky lemon. What the heck was that? Was that a bee? Was that a wasp? I can hear a buzz. Buzz Lightyear. I can hear a Buzz Lightyear. 14 minutes already? We gotta pack up our things and get back home. We've been at school for 14 minutes. Even though we're supposed to be here. Well, even though we're supposed to be here at school for 87 hours. We're supposed to stay there for 87 hours. I'm so smart. I'm so smart, I can't even handle you, totally. Why is the fish tank? Fish tank? Fish bowl! The fish died. I don't have a fish. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I really did just kill the fish. Yeah, I'm kidding. Wow. Moosey man, mommy, it's a moosey man, moosey. Ah, mommy is a moosey man, moosey man, moosey man. I don't know how much I have, but I have way too many. One more. You bring she conscience, you bring she stintions. I'm the dun din din. I'm anxious. Okay, we are alive. We're alive. Don't worry. Yeah, we're alive. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there half of 9? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna do that because it makes it easier. You bring she conscience, you bring distances. Welcome to the house of boiling. Oh no, there's a magnet missing. I only have 2 greens, 2 oranges, and 1 blue. This is not a blue. Don't worry, it's not a blue. I see you. I see you. Hi. If you actually do this, it's weird. It feels weird. Welcome to the house, No. There's literally no way. I can still see you. My goggles broke. Wait. No, they're not goggles. Who said they were goggles? Kapashi. Welcome to the house, Tizzy. House of Harmony. Welcome to the house, Tizzy. I don't know how I just did that, but it just happened. It just happened. It just happened. Somehow it just magically happened. Yeah. Welcome to the house. And of Holy Bin. Why is that stuck in my head? You bring the conscience, you bring the stinches. No, I mean, shish. Shish. You're not funny. I wasn't trying to be. When was the last time I said that? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to think about my memories. Roll the dough. Roll the dough right here. Welcome to the house. You're so wrong. I have to take all of it out. Just because of you, totally. Wow, I'm so mad at you from yesterday. Since when did that appear there? It's sliding down. Oh, wow. I think it's trying to do the slither dance. Welcome to the house of Horman. I'm gonna play Donkey after this. Am I alive? Yes, I am. You have to be quiet so then Miss Misa will not make us not have any playtime. We want playtime after school. Oh wow, somehow I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I found out that I have 10. Dee doo doo dee. Dee dee doo doo in my butt. Doo doo dee dee in my boot. Doo doo dee dee in my boot. Doo doo da da in my butt. I'm so confused of what this woman is doing. You should be. Because I don't know what I'm doing either. People only know what aesthetic is if they go on TikTok. Sheesh. That's what my friend said. And Kellen, if you're watching this, I don't know, actually. Kellen, if you're watching this, I have a question. A very, very important question. Are you going to be at school tomorrow? Was that plastic? Yes, it was. Was that plastic? I knew it was, so I don't even know why I was asking. I don't even know what I was asking. Skin. I'm soaked to the skin. Comment a dislike emoji if you want to buy fidgets now, just because I made this video. But put a thumb up emoji, or you can just like the video if I got a hole in it. Anyways, comment a like button if you did not want to buy fidgets, or the opposite of what I said last time. Yep, I'm gonna squeeze it out. I'm gonna squeeze all of the fluffy stuff out. What does it feel like? Wow. That went wrong. I did not even know. I just put my finger there, and then it started to explode. Then I had blood on my fingers. A lot of my fidgets broke. Hold on. The rest stuff was from the needle, but this was my water timer, and it's, yeah, that, it has a hole in it somehow. I just wanted to play with it, and then I realized it was leaking, and it did not smell like water. It smelled like doo-doo alien poo. I'm going to keep this here for when I pop another one of my fidgets on accident. Not on purpose. Okay. Lights, camera, action! Lights, camera, action, yeah. Oh! La 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 la. Ew, who said I wanted that? I'm just gonna put it on my rug. Who said that I was alive? I don't know. This is gonna be hard. Let's come on action, yeah. I'm almost finished with one section already. How do you get it? Let's come on action. Oh, wow. That literally almost broke the camera. Literally almost broke the camera. It literally almost broke the camera. Let's come on action. I have way more than usual. Other people have like 15 fidgets in my school. But I'm the only one with 2,100 million fidgets. Fidget octagon cube thingy. Wow. Let's see. Doing that. How am I doing that? There's no way that could possibly happen. I almost went to the fan and I caught it. I don't understand. Shh. Be quiet, or else Miss Smith is not gonna let us go to recess. Who else has that kid in their school? Me. Raise your hand if you have that kid in your elementary school. Is there a blue Orbeez thingy in there? Because I was squishing that and then it did not look right. Excellent. Favorite thing. Hey, Popper. Popper. It's kind of like saying that. Instead it's on like Google Translate or something. Popper. It's been 30 minutes, half of an hour. There's no way I could possibly do that. How could I organize my fidget toys for 30 minutes? I realize that I am playing with slime that is sticky on a carpet. And if it falls on the carpet, then it's gonna stick. It did not stick. For the love of God, thank goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, I almost stick something. 31 minutes already. Anyways, subscribe to me or else. I should have added an intro. Whatever. I hope you have a nice day or night or I don't know. And just have a nice anything. Bye. Wait. So